Buying the wrong car buffer polisher can ruin paint fast. Many people learn this the hard way. I have seen friends spend hours polishing only to get swirl marks instead of shine. That is why choosing the right tool matters. A good buffer saves time, effort, and stress. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started and find the best keyword option for your needs. Number 5, overall pick. This Geve Life buffer polisher stands out for people who want strong power without paying premium prices. It is designed for car owners who handle tough jobs like oxidation and dull paint. The motor is powerful enough to keep steady speed, which helps beginners feel more confident. I like how this type of machine suits larger vehicles common in the United States, like trucks and sport utility vehicles. The grip design helps reduce fatigue during long sessions. That matters when detailing more than one panel. Noise levels stay reasonable, which is helpful if you work in a home garage. One thing to note is that rotary polishers need careful handling. New users should start slow. Strong motor performance, smooth speed control, comfort-focused handle design. Number 4, best cordless option. This Avrit cordless car buffer polisher kit is a smart pick if you free quick movement. It removes the hassle of cords dragging across paint. This makes it great for mobile detailing or driveway work. Battery power also helps people who live in apartments or places without easy outlet access. The lightweight build makes it easy to control. Beginners often feel less intimidated with this style. The speed range is wide enough for waxing and light correction. However, cordless polishers are better for light to medium tasks. For deep paint correction, corded options still win. Cord-free convenience, beginner-friendly control, portable battery system. Number 3, Amazon Choice. This Aoben dual-action car buffer polisher offers a safer polishing experience. Dual-action movement helps reduce swirl marks, which is ideal for first-time users. I often recommend this style for daily drivers rather than show cars. It balances power and control well. The speed adjustment allows gentle waxing or deeper polishing. This makes it useful for multiple surfaces beyond cars. One limitation is that heavy paint defects may take longer to correct. Dual-action safety design, balanced power output, multi-surface versatility. Number 2, premium feel choice. This SPTA dual-action random orbital car buffer polisher feels more refined and stable. It is built for people who enjoy detailing as a hobby or side business. The motor runs smoothly and maintains steady performance. This matters when working on delicate finishes. The included accessories make it a complete setup. It works well on cars commonly seen in the United States, including sedans and crossovers. The higher price reflects better consistency, though casual users may not need this level. Stable motor performance, professional level finish, complete detailing kit. Number 1, best overall pick. This LDH-TOPI buffer polisher earns the top spot because it delivers strong performance at a very accessible cost. It is built for people who want serious correction power without overspending. The motor strength allows fast results on oxidation and scratches. What sets it apart is value. Many users in the United States choose it for trucks, boats, and larger vehicles. While it is a rotary polisher and requires control, the adjustable speed helps users stay safe. For the price range, it offers impressive capability. High output motor strength, wide speed adjustment range, excellent value build. If you want the best keyword overall, the LDH-TOPI buffer polisher is the top pick. It offers strong power, solid control, and great value for most users. For those who prefer a safer and more refined experience, the SPTA dual-action polisher is the best choice for premium control and smoother results. Each option serves a different need, but these two stand above the rest. Check the description links for current prices and full details before choosing the one that fits your polishing goals best.